Introducing the impressive 2023 Audi E-tron 55, a sleek and powerful electric vehicle with a stunning black exterior. Packed with advanced features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking, this Estatejeep is perfect for those who value comfort and safety. With ABS, multiple airbags, and smart card entry, you can drive with peace of mind. The vehicle also includes a chrome package, spoiler, and headlight washers for added style and security. Fully serviced and covered by warranties, this Audi has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check. For more information, call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today.